Friends, like a spoon and fork, we will continue to model the knife, and in the same way, at the beginning we will create a plane from the mesh part and name it knife in the layers part. Now enter the edit mode and rotate the plane X by 90 degrees. We select the vertex mode from the upper left of the screen and select the two left vertices on the plane and press G and X, drag it to the right, and also by pressing the G and X button we drag the two vertices to the left until they touch the knife. Also move to Z direction, up and down vertices. Then we create some loop cuts. And the next thing we must do is to move all the vertices to right and left one by one in the X direction in the same way, and add more loop cuts as you need, so as you can see that it is placed in its proper place on the knife. Guys, the thing that we should pay attention to, that you should not forget that practice and repetition will increase your skill and make you perform better and faster. So try model each example several times to correct your mistakes. Well, now to continue working, we need subdivision surface, which we activate from the modifiers menu and add one more loop cuts in the bottom of knife for better curve. And then we need to create relatively sharp edge for the knife, and according to the lines on the edge of the knife. We create several numbers of loop cuts and adjust them so that they have a certain distance from each other. And now we select the vertices of the edge of the knife, one up and one, and drag it to the left in the X direction until a relatively sharp edge be created for the knife. Then we move the knife to the left in the X direction and place it from the top view to the front next to the fork and a spoon, and after that select solidify from modifier section and enter the thickness of 300 of a meter and apply it, and also enter the edit mode and create two loop cuts in the middle of the top of knife. Usually after we have modeled our object from the reference, we try to create a better final model by making corrections in the loop cuts and also by moving the vertices. Like the spoon and fork, we need to create a black edge to the outside, which of edge is a little lower in the knife, and we enter the edit mode and select the faces that need to be extruded, and like the other two objects, press Ctrl F and select extrude faces, align normals, then a little to the outside, and we select two edged of object need to be bump, and then by pressing Ctrl B we add a bevel with 3 edges to it, and as you can see we modeled the knife like the other objects. And here we go to the model and design chopsticks.